at the check-in desk. Good morning. Is this the check-in desk for my flight?
Good morning. Yes, this is the right desk.
I am flying to Chicago today.
May I please see your ID?
Yes, here is my driver's license.
Thank you. I will check your info.
Is everything okay with my ticket?
Yes, your ticket is valid.
I would like to check my luggage.
How many bags will you check?
I have one big suitcase.
Please put the suitcase on the scale.
Is the suitcase too heavy?
No, it is under the allowed weight.
That is good to hear.
Do you have any other bags?
Yes, I have a small backpack.
The backpack is allowed as carry-on.
Is there a weight check for carry-ons?
Yes, but your backpack is light enough.
Do I need to take anything out?
No, everything is fine.
May I have liquids in the suitcase?
Yes, liquids are okay in checked bags.
Can I get a window seat?
Yes, I will reserve a window seat.
Thank you very much.
Your seat is 18A.
Will I get my boarding pass here?
Yes, here is your boarding pass.
Where can I find my gate?
Your gate is B12.
When does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Do I need to know anything else?
Please go to security in good time.
Where is the security check?
Straight ahead and then left.
Thanks for the information.
You are welcome.
I am a bit nervous.
That is quite normal.
Thank you for your help.
I wish you a good flight.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and safe travels.
Security check. Excuse me, is this the right line for security?
Yes, this is the right line.
I feel a bit nervous because so many people are here.
That is normal, but it moves fast.
What do I do first?
Please show me your boarding pass.
Here's my boarding pass.
Thank you. You may move on.
Do I need to show my passport too?
Yes, please keep it ready.
Should I take off my jacket?
Yes, please remove the jacket.
Where do I put the jacket?
Please place it in this tray.
What about my watch?
Put the watch in the tray, too.
May I keep my belt on?
No, please take off the belt.
I have a laptop in my backpack.
Please take the laptop out.
Do I put the laptop in a tray too?
Yes, in its own tray, please.
I also have headphones.
The headphones can stay in the backpack.
I have a small water bottle.
Sorry, liquids are not allowed here.
Then I must throw it away.
Yes, please discard it there.
May I keep my phone in the bag?
No, please place the phone in the tray.
Is my backpack okay like this?
Yes. The backpack is packed correctly.
What do I do now?
Please walk through the scanner now.
Should I stand still?
Yes, stand still and raise your arms.
Is the machine beeping?
No, everything is fine.
That is a relief.
You can take your things now.
Should I check everything again?
Yes, please see if you have everything.
I have my passport.
Very good.
I also have my boarding pass.
Perfect.
My laptop is back in the backpack.
Then everything is complete.
Where do I go now?
Please follow the signs to the gate.
Thank you for your patience.
You are welcome.
The check was not bad at all.
We hear that often.
Thank you very much for your help.
I wish you a good flight.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and safe travels.
At the duty-free shop. Excuse me, is this the duty-free shop?
Yes, the duty-free area starts here.
May I just walk around?
Yes, feel free to look.
The prices look lower here.
Yes, many items are cheaper here.
Are there souvenirs too?
Yes, souvenirs are over there.
I am looking for a small gift.
Perfume and chocolate are very popular.
Can I take this chocolate on the plane?
Yes, that is no problem.
How much alcohol can I buy?
1 bottle per person is allowed.
May I test the perfume?
Yes, the testers are on the table.
Does it smell very strong?
It is a bit strong, but many like it.
I will take a small bottle.
That is a good choice.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, we accept credit cards.
May I get a bag for my purchase?
Yes, you will get a sealed bag.
May I open the bag on the plane?
Yes, that is allowed.
Will I get a receipt too?
Yes, please keep the receipt.
Why is the receipt important?
You need it during an inspection.
Must I carry the items in my carry-on?
Yes, please keep them in your carry-on.
Is it far to my gate?
No, it is only a few minutes.
Where can I see my gate?
On the big board up ahead.
Do I still have enough time?
Yes, you still have plenty of time.
Then I will look around a bit more.
Sure.
Thanks for the information.
You are welcome.
I will go to the gate now.
Have a pleasant flight.
Boarding and getting on. Excuse me, is this the right gate for my flight?
Yes, this is the right gate.
My flight goes to Chicago.
Yes, this flight goes to Chicago.
Has boarding already started?
Yes, boarding starts now.
Should I line up?
Yes, please stand in this line.
Which group is boarding now?
Rows 1 to 10 board first.
I sit in row 18.
Then you are in the second group.
Should I keep my boarding pass ready?
Yes, please have your boarding pass and ID ready.
Here are my documents.
Thanks. I will scan your boarding pass.
Did everything work?
Yes, everything is fine.
May I go through now?
Yes, please go through this door.
Do I walk straight to the plane?
Yes, the hallway leads right to the plane.
May I carry my backpack?
Yes, please carry it yourself.
Where can I find my seat?
The seat numbers are above the rows.
I am a bit nervous.
That is quite normal.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Goodbye.
Have a good flight.
Talk with the pilot. Excuse me, are you the pilot of this flight?
Yes, I am the pilot of this flight.
This is my first flight and I feel a bit nervous.
That is very normal on a first flight.
Is the weather good today?
Yes, the weather is calm and clear.
Will we have turbulence?
There may be light turbulence.
Is that dangerous?
No, that is not dangerous.
How long is the flight?
The flight takes about 2 hours.
When do we take off?
We take off in a few minutes.
Do I need my seat belt?
Yes, please keep your belt on.
May I look out the window?
Yes, you may.
Do you talk to us during the flight?
Yes, I make announcements over the speaker.
Do you fly this route often?
Yes, I fly this route very often.
Will we land on time?
Yes, we expect an on-time landing.
What time will we arrive?
We arrive at 2 p.m.
That calms me a lot.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, and welcome on board.
Ordering food from flight crew. Excuse me, can I order some food?
Yes, of course. We start service now.
What is there to eat today?
We have pasta or chicken.
Is the pasta vegetarian?
Yes, the pasta is vegetarian.
Then I'll take the pasta, please.
Very good.
Is there a salad with it?
Yes, there is a small salad.
That sounds good.
Would you like bread as well?
Yes, please.
Would you like butter or margarine?
Butter, please.
What would you like to drink?
I would like water.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Would you like anything else?
Is there also a dessert?
Yes, we have cake.
Then I'll take the cake too.
Sure.
Can I get a coffee later?
Yes, after the meal we serve coffee.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
At passport control in the United States. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the United States. Please show me your passport.
Yes, here is my passport.
Thank you. One moment, please.
Is everything okay with my documents?
Yes, your passport is valid.
That is good to hear.
From which country are you arriving?
I am coming from England.
What is the purpose of your trip to the United States?
I am here on vacation.
How long will you stay in the United States?
I will stay 2 weeks.
Where will you stay during your visit?
I will stay at a hotel in New York.
Can you tell me the name of the hotel?
Yes, it is called City Hotel New York.
Do you have a hotel reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
Are you traveling alone or with others?
I am traveling alone.
Do you have a return flight ticket?
Yes, my return flight is in 2 weeks.
Do you have enough money for your stay?
Yes, I have cash and a credit card.
How much cash are you carrying?
About $300.
Do you have any goods to declare?
No, I have nothing to declare.
Are you carrying alcohol or cigarettes?
No, I am not.
Do you have food in your luggage?
No, no food.
Are you carrying prohibited items?
No, absolutely not.
Is this your first visit to the United States?
Yes, it is my first visit.
Do you already have a plan for your trip?
Yes, I want to visit New York and Los Angeles.
Those are very nice cities.
May I collect my luggage after the check?
Yes, then please go to baggage claim.
Where can I find baggage claim?
Please follow the signs marked baggage claim.
Must I go through customs after that?
Yes, please use the green lane if you have nothing to declare.
Thank you for the information.
Please look into the camera for a moment.
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Everything is done.
May I enter now?
Yes, you may enter the United States.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to the United States and have a pleasant stay.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
In the taxi. Hello, are you free?
Yes, I'm free. Where would you like to go?
Please take me downtown.
Which street exactly?
To the City Hotel New York.
Yes, I know it.
How long is the ride?
About 30 minutes, depending on traffic.
Is traffic heavy today?
It is a bit busy.
How much will the ride cost?
Around $40.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payment is fine.
Can you turn the music down?
Yes, I'll lower the music.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is the weather always like this here?
Today it is a little cool.
I'm in New York for the first time.
Welcome. I hope you enjoy it.
Are there sights near the hotel?
Yes, many. For example, Times Square.
I really want to see that.
That's a good idea.
Can you tell me when we arrive?
Yes, I will let you know.
Is it still far?
No, we are almost there.
Can you stop here?
Yes, here is the hotel.
Thank you for the ride.
My pleasure.
Is the price correct?
Yes, that's the final price.
Here you go.
Thank you and enjoy your stay.
Thanks. Goodbye.
Goodbye.